everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create this Kawaii Narwhal charm using polymer clay. So let's get started. Firstly, take the colour you would like to use for the body of your narwhal and roll it into a ball with your hands. To start shaping the tail, just gently pinch and pull one part of the clay until you're happy with how it looks. I'm now moving on to the face, so with my dotting tool I'm creating 2 indents where I want the eyes to go, and then I'm taking 2 balls of brown clay and adding these into the indents for the eyes. For the mouth, I curved a piece of brown clay and then attached it on, and then I added small balls of light pink clay for the cheeks. Next, for the belly, take some white clay and roll it into a teardrop shape. You'll want to press this down onto your work surface so that it's nice and flat, and then just add this to the bottom of the charm. To finish off the tail, take 2 even balls of the body colour and shape these into flat teardrops with the pointy ends slightly curved, and then join them together so that you end up with something that looks like a mustache. Then go ahead and position this onto the tail. I'm then making the fins by taking some more of my blue colour and shaping it into a diamond. I then cut this in half on an angle so that I had 2 even pieces, and then I blended these onto the body. Finally, for the horn, I decided to use gold clay, and I started by rolling each end so that they became thinner and the centre is thicker. Then just fold this clay in half and twist it together. Trim off the thicker end and then just add this to the head of your narwhal. You can then go ahead and add an eye pin if you want to make it into a charm, and then bake it in your oven according to your package's instructions. After baking, I secured the eye pin with some super glue, and then I also added a coat of UV resin for some shiny glaze. And then that is everything for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!